2 levels, 2 floors in each suite.
Wow.
The guests of the hotel, they can choose what kind of pillow they would like to have. They have a pillow menu, like in the restaurant, a real menu with 15 different kinds of pillows, bigger ones, smaller ones, softer ones, as you wish. So you choose your pillow. And there are different options how to be picked up from the airport. Of course, there's an extra cost that's not included. One of the options is being picked up by Mercedes or Rolls-Royce or by helicopter. Maybe you've seen the helipad up there in round shape. That's the helipad, so you're not going to be stuck in the traffic.
There you go, 50th anniversary. You saw that.
Has anybody... Oops.
Oops.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, imagine this so beautiful.
We'll go there.
Has anybody been inside the Burj Al Arab Hotel?
No.
No.
You have been inside. You stayed there a night or for dinner, tea time? Sky view bar. Oh my gosh, how was the view?
It was a bit hazy.
Yeah, it's always hazy. Actually, it's a very normal situation. Today we are lucky, it's not that hazy. But usually it's almost a kind of hazy because we are actually in the middle of the desert and the humidity, so it makes it like sand around, dust around, and the humidity, it makes it look hazy all the time. But you went there